Hey everybody, this is a quick video. In case you have JBL Endurance Dive waterproof Bluetooth headphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them, you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with these earphones not connecting to your phone or your other device, or if they keep disconnecting, or if you're only getting sound out of the left ear or only sound out of the right ear, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now, the second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you're just setting these up as a new set of headphones, you want to pair them on a new device or whatever, we can just clear everything out, delete the pairing history and everything like that, so that we can get a fresh start with them. And with these headphones, it's really easy. All we need to do is start with them turned on, or not start with them turned on, start with them charging. So when they're plugged in and charging, we're just going to come over to this right earphone and press and hold the button on the right earbud for more than 15 seconds. After you do that, they'll automatically reset. You can go and forget them on your old phone and then set them up as a new set of headphones.